Our motorhome is provided with 2 power cords. This is a 50 amp cord with the big yellow plug on it. This is a 30 amp cord with just a push plug on it. If you use this 50 amp cord, this yellow plug will go right in this power box. It's pretty simple. The 3 prongs in here, you just push it in. There's also a little guide on the very top of the plug. This is important that you push it all the way in. This has a retaining ring on it. It's not necessary to use it. As long as you get it in and give it an 1/8 of a turn twist to the right. When you unplug it, a little bit to the left and unplug it. That's a 50 amp cord. All campgrounds have 30 amp units, and some have the 50s. If you're using a 30 amp, you need this adapter, and it goes, this is what was in before, so I'm going to put it back in. Goes in full 1/8 inch turn to the right, and this end plugs into the power supply box at the campground. This end has nowhere to go except onto this plug, like that. You'll see this plug has a 3-way adapter to it. This has a 3-prong on it. It goes in. Should you be in a situation where you're, say, at someone's house and they don't have a 30 amp situation, and you have to use just a U-ground 110 power cord, this little adapter will go on to the end of it, and now you'll see there's a regular U-ground thing here. You can plug your little power cord directly into that. These 3 mount on the pins, and I do keep a power cord right inside this door. You could run it a regular U-ground cord. You can plug it in there and you have power. When you use a U-ground power cord, it's very skimpy how much electricity you can use. It'll run the microwave, but you have to be very careful how much of a load you put on it, because it will throw the breakers out. In the coach, 2 parts, important to have. We keep it in the coach in a little cabinet just above the passenger seat, in the rear, right behind the passenger seat, high vertical cabinet.